Welcome to my new lesson. Today's topic is on greetings in French, les salutations. My learning objective is to be able to say the words for greetings in French and also to be able to use the new words in a French conversation or a French dialogue. I'm going to bring up the new words, a list of all the new words. I'm just going to read them out quickly. Don't say after me, just listen to the sound, listen to the words. So we have about 14 new words. The first one, I'm just going to read fast. Bonjour, salut, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne nuit. Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Ça va bien? Je vais bien. Ça va très bien. Ça va mal. Comme ci, comme ça. Et vous, comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? À bientôt. Merci. Au revoir. Okay. We're going to learn how to say each word. Now, this step, I'm going to leave 2 to 3 seconds just to allow to say the word after me. Off we go. Bonjour. Bonjour means hello or good morning. Salut. Salut means hi. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Good afternoon. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? How you doing? Ça va bien. Or you can also say je vais bien. Ça va bien. Je vais bien. I'm good, I'm fine. Ça va mal. Ça ne va pas. Ça va mal. Or you can say ça ne va pas. I'm not fine, I'm not good. Comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. I'm in the middle. Et vous, comment ça va? Et vous, comment allez-vous? You can say, et vous, comment ça va? Or you can say, et vous, comment allez-vous? They mean the same and they mean, and you, how you doing? Merci. Merci. It means thank you. À bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon. I'm going to bring up the English words, not the French words, and then you have to find out what is the English for each one. So the first one is bonjour. What is the English for bonjour? Hello, good morning. Salut. Hi. Bon après-midi. Good afternoon. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonne nuit. Good night. Comment ça va? Or you could say comment allez-vous? Means how you doing? Ça va bien. Or je vais bien. I'm good, I'm fine. Ça va mal. Or you could say ça ne va pas. Means I'm not good, I'm not fine. Comme ci, comme ça. Means I'm in the middle. Et vous, comment ça va? And you, how you doing? À bientôt. See you soon. Merci. Thank you. Au revoir. Goodbye. I'm going to bring statements, and each statement will have 3 choices to pick from. Okay, that's the first one. You have to pick the correct answer. The question is, how you doing? You have 5 seconds. Just say the correct answer. Off we go. Is it comment ça va? Ça va bien or ça va mal? It means comment ça va. The next statement, I'm fine, I'm good. Is it comment ça va? Ça va mal? Ça va bien? Ça va bien. The next one, I'm not fine, I'm not good. Does it mean ça va mal, ça va bien, or bonjour? Ça va mal. The next one, hello, good morning. Does it mean comment ça va, bonjour, or ça va bien? Bonjour. The next one, I'm in the middle. Does it mean ça va mal, ça va bien, or comme ci, comme ça? Comme ci, comme ça. The next one, good evening. Is it bonsoir, bon après-midi, or bonne nuit? Bonsoir. The next statement, good night. Is it bonjour, bonsoir, or bonne nuit? Bonne nuit. The next one, see you soon. Is it à bientôt, bonjour, or bonsoir? À bientôt. Next one, and you, how you doing? Is it et vous, bonjour, et vous, comment allez-vous, or et vous, merci? Et vous, comment allez-vous? Okay, what is the English for? Now this time we're going to look for the English for. The first one, what is the English for comment ça va? How are you? I forgot the question mark. Okay. The next one, ça va bien. What is the English for ça va bien? I'm fine. Comme ci, comme ça. I'm in the middle. Ça va mal. I'm not fine. Merci. Thank you. Bonjour. Hello. Au revoir. Goodbye. Ça va bien, merci. I'm fine, thank you. Ça va mal, au revoir. I'm not fine, goodbye. Bonjour, merci, au revoir. Hello, thank you, goodbye. Comment ça va? Au revoir. How are you? Goodbye. Comme ci, comme ça, merci. So, thank you. Ça va mal, merci, au revoir. I'm bad, thank you, goodbye. Bonjour, comment ça va? Merci, au revoir. Hello, how you doing? Thank you, goodbye. Okay, to practice our talking, our dialogue. Let's say Marion and Nathan, they meet in Paris. They have to practice their speaking. Marion will go, bonjour, comment ça va? Nathan, salut, ça va bien. Et vous, comment ça va? Marion, comme ci, comme ça. Nathan, merci, à bientôt. Marion, à bientôt. Okay, that's it for today. La fin means the end. I think you've enjoyed yourself watching this video. Don't forget, please, to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's Learn French with Eska. That's our YouTube channel. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.